All right, hey YouTube. So I wanted to come on and do a quick voiceover on how I wear my corset. Here I am just showing you what it looks like when you open it up and that there are steel bones right here in the front. So I'm going to roll down my leggings so I can show you how I put it on. At the bottom, there is going to be a tie, and that is the part that you want to lay flat across your back. I apologize now for my drawers being out. So you want to lay that part flat against your back. Make sure that everything is lined up and looks good. Make sure that it feels comfortable, and that it's up where it should be, right underneath the bust if you're wearing an underbust corset. So I am clicking it together now, making sure that I click everything and that it's all secure. And you're going to see here that I'm going to pull it up and make sure that it's in the correct position. It is so important that you have it in the correct position when you're wearing it so that it's not uncomfortable and your legs don't go numb and a whole bunch of other stuff. Okay. So I am going to take these strings, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top two strings, and this is going to help to tighten up the top half of the corset. I like to do a little wiggle, make sure that it's on there right. And so you just want to pull it until it is comfortable for you. And then I'll hold on to those strings in my mouth while I pull the bottom strings. And again, I might do a little wiggle here to make sure that it is comfortable. So that is as tight as I'm going to pull it. As you can see, I have some opening down. As you can see, I have some openings in the middle, and that's all right. If it doesn't close all the way, then that is perfectly okay. Make sure that it's comfortable is the most important thing, and make sure that it feels good to you. Okay? Don't snap your back trying to waist train. So that is it. I'm going to go ahead and tie up my strings, bring them around town, in the words of SpongeBob, and tie a pretty little bow so that it is all secure. And just like that, you are done. You can pull up your pants, pull down your shirt, and walk out the door. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to The Vibe. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.